Good morning, lovely friends. It's Nikki, and you are here in the sewing room with Nick. I just received some mail from the postman. Today is Wednesday, it's my day off, and I thought I would open my package with you because it's very exciting and I'm going to be able to make lots of really cool things. So let's take a look. Why do they never want to open when you're excited to get into it? Let's go like that. Come on. Okay. Oh, there it is. So excited. Okay. Let's open it up. Take off the box. Oh, it's upside down. Let's fix that. Look what I bought myself. It is a Cricut Joy. So I've wanted a Cricut for ages. I've really loved seeing everyone's gorgeous little things that they put on their bottles, and I just have always wanted one, but they're quite big and my room's not really great for storage. So I thought when I saw this one that it would be perfect because I would be able to do some creating and not have to worry so much about storage space. I can open it up. Oh, there's lots of stickers everywhere. Let's open it up. And look. All right. So, oh, it's quite heavy. But it's quite compact too, see? Quite little. All right, so there is the actual Cricut. And then in the box, we also get a little envelope with Open Me written on it. And this looks like all the cables. And the pen. I'm assuming that's it. That looks empty now. So let's put that aside. And let's open it up and see what we get here. Okay, so inside the envelope, we've got a Let's Get Started card with some basic instructions, which we will have to read. And then we've got a bit of cardstock and a bit of silver vinyl and a cutting mat. So that's not as thick as I was expecting it to be. It's quite flimsy. And the warranty. So let's put that to the side. All right. Let's get started. So let's start by unpacking this. So let's take the plastic off this. Oh, I love the colour. Okay, now the first thing I'm noticing is there's no buttons. No buttons on this one, so if we open that up, I think we'll take that off. And, well, that's quite cute. It releases the little blade. So it's a very tiny little blade in there. Let's put that back in, close it up. So that's quite cute. Okay. Let's plug this in and see what it does. Okay, so I've got everything plugged in. I've downloaded the Cricut Design Space app and I'm just creating my Cricut ID now. So we'll press Create Account. We're going to do a bit of a setup of the machine. So it's thinking about it. Get connected. Plug in your Joy power on. We've done that. Make sure Bluetooth on your device is turned on. Done that. Let's connect. Okay, machine updates. Let's make sure you've got the latest and greatest features. We'll press update because yes, we want the latest and greatest. You're all set up. Your Joy is registered and set up. Continue. Let's test a cut. Select an image to get started. Okay, so it's asked me to select one of these lovely images here. And I think I am going to go with the sunflower. And I'm going to press next. Okay, so step 1, it's saying confirm the blade is in place with the clamp closed. Yes, we've done that. And then it's saying insert smart vinyl under the guides and up against the rollers. So this is the smart vinyl that we got given. So we are going to put that under the guides. Oh, and it's going to do an auto feed. And it's just saying to go. So let's go. Test cut complete. Unload. Okay, so now it says to remove the cut image from the backer. So one thing that this doesn't have is any other tools. So I have noticed that people that do use this use what's called a weeding tool, which is like a little hook, and it just helps to pull off the little tiny bits out of the thing, out of the image. So I'm going to maybe try doing that with a pin. There we go. So a pin works. So what I'm doing is I'm just using the pin to help me lift these middle bits out. So it'll be worth my time, I think, investing in the proper tools to do this. But in the meantime, a dress pin is doing the job. That is a lot of wasted vinyl. I wonder if it's going to waste that much every time, or if this is just because it's my first time. Alright, so I wonder if you can see that alright. That's my transfer. Now I need to work out how to put it onto the item. So I wonder if it's going to give me any tips. Let's have a look. No, no tips. Okay, so I have got what I bought here, which is transfer tape, and this is what I would assume I need to use. There's lots of assumptions going on here today because this is the first time I've ever used one of these. Oh, they don't make them easy to get into. Okay. This is the transfer tape. It kind of just looks like contact paper. And it's got a bit of a grid on it. So I would assume that we are going to cut off a piece of this. Like so. And then I would think we stick it to our vinyl. Alright. So it's quite sticky. Let's stick it onto here. Like so. Hopefully it picks up all the vinyl. Nope. I wonder if there's a trick to this. Uh-oh. Now I've got a bubble in my vinyl. Alright, so our first attempt's not going real well. I'm sure it will get better. Alright. I'm just going to stick it to the front of this, I think. If I can get it to come off. So why is it so hard to come off? There's got to be a reason. Why is this not... Oh, hang on. Now it's coming. It's mostly coming. Okay, success. So let's find a spot for that. I'm thinking right there. And let's rub it on. Try really hard to not get any air bubbles in there. So success! Yay! It's on! Ta-da! How does it feel? It feels good. It doesn't feel like it's going to lift up. So the initial getting it onto the transfer tape was a bit tricky, but I'm sure I'll get better at that. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. That's really cool. Hi friends, it's Nikki. I had to stop recording yesterday because the kids came home from school and it was mum duties and I had to do groceries and cooking dinner and there wasn't a lot of time. But last night I did make a few more things. So I started off with, I wanted to try the pen part of the Cricut. And so with the pen I made this, which is just a little sewing machine. Of course, line drawing. And how cool is that? So it has lots of line drawing options and they will be great for making birthday cards and things like that. It also has all the text options, so you can do all of the writing in the cards if you didn't want to hand write verses and things, and just, yeah, very cute. I liked that. So then, oh, and on the back I tried a black vinyl, just a little handmade sign. That is quite small print, so I couldn't get the centers of some of the letters, but you can still tell what it says, and it's cute. And then I also did a vinyl for my coffee mug. So this is not a new coffee mug, this is an old favorite. It's very old and bashed around, but I did do a label for that, and it's, yeah, coffee and Christmas music, because that's totally me. I have been known to play Christmas music year round. All right, so the next thing I tried was in very small print. I tried doing a little handmade, just wooden tag, gift tag. So these gift tags I got from Kmart, and they were $3, I want to say. So I believe they were $3 a packet, and I think they were a pack of 6, and you could get them in different sizes, and I just thought that would be really cute to put with a handmade gift. So that's one thing that I did. And then I got this also and did just a very simple, I actually did 2, I did 1 on each side. This is just a food thermos. So it's got a spoon in the top, and it says that it's going to keep food hot for up to 6 hours. So I got this for my youngest because I thought it would be good for winter for him to take something warm to school. And yeah, that's what we got. So here's one more look at my beautiful little Cricut baby. At first it was quite tricky to wrap my head around what to do with everything. I've never used anything like this before, but after only a couple of goes I feel really confident. I would love to get some more accessories to go with this, but they will have to of course wait. But yeah, really happy with it. It's a great little purchase, and I'm sure you will see more of this because I would like to try some iron on for some fabric, so that I can do projects with different sayings or pictures or whatever on pouches and t-shirts. So that is going to be the next thing I try with this. So I am going to leave this here because it's just about bedtime. I've had my nighttime cup of tea and I'm ready for bed, ready for another day of work tomorrow, and then it'll be the weekend. So thanks so much for joining me again. And as always, if you have found this video a bit of fun to watch, please consider subscribing, and I would love to have you join me again. See you next time. Bye.